So in this video, I'm going to outline some of the basic terminology and some of the strategy that we're going to use to solve F2L pairs. So after we do our cross, there are 4 slots around the first and second layer that we can fill with F2L pairs. So you want to be thinking in terms of filling slots now around your cross where those pairs belong. So F2L pairs are simply what we call a corner and an edge which belong in the same slot. So for example, here's what it looks like when we have a corner and an edge piece solved correctly into a slot. So this white, green and orange corner piece is solved along with its corresponding edge. And remember to hold the cross on the bottom before you start solving your F2L pairs. So to solve our F2L pairs, we're going to follow 4 simple steps. So the first step is to identify 2 pieces that we're going to solve into a single F2L slot. This is a reasonably easy step, so you should all be fine with this. So for example, on this cube, let's say we want to solve this slot right here in between the white and blue and white and red cross pieces. So the corner that belongs here is this white, blue and red corner piece, which needs to go down here. And we also need to find the corresponding edge piece, which has these 2 colours on it, which is the blue and red edge piece. And we see that this blue and red edge piece is over here. So this one needs to go here and this corner needs to go down here, but we want to do them at the same time. The second step is to bring both of these pieces into the top layer. So the corner and the edge up into the top layer. In this case, the corner is already in the top layer and we need to bring this edge into the top layer. So we can do this by using our RU-R' algorithm from the beginner's method. So say for example, we have this corner in the top layer, but we need to bring this edge up. So what we can do to bring this edge out into the top layer so we can work with it is simply do R to move it into the top layer, rotate it across, and R' to bring the cross piece back down. And now we have this edge piece and this corner piece in the top layer and we can solve them. The third step, which you don't have to do all of the time, is if your pieces are connected to one another, what we need to do is actually disconnect them or split them up in the top layer. So to split up this corner and edge piece, what we do is we can pull down a corner into the bottom layer, move the edge across and pull the corner back up. And I'll show you many examples of how we do this in the next few videos and what to look out for when you do it. But fundamentally what we do is hide the corner in the bottom layer, move the edge across and unhide the corner. The final step is to solve the F2L pair into its slot. So solve the corner and the edge into their correct slot. And for this, there will be 3 possible basic cases. The first case is where if you look at the top face up here, and you look at the corner and edge piece that you want to solve, the stickers facing upwards are different colours to one another. The second case is where the colour of the corner piece and the edge piece on the top layer are the same. So here we have the blue sticker on the top and same goes for the edge. And the third and final case is where the white sticker of the corner piece is facing upwards on our top layer. So those are the 3 fundamental cases that you'll have in your F2L, and in the next 3 videos I'm going to teach you how to solve each of those individual cases. Lastly, some websites provide F2L algorithms for all of the 42 different possible cases of an F2L pair. I strongly suggest that you don't learn F2L using algorithms, as learning it intuitively will give you a much better understanding of what you're doing, and only look up an algorithm as a last resort for learning F2L. And in this module and in the next 3 videos, we're going to teach how to solve F2L pairs intuitively.